Gates open, they're up and racing. We have a stay at home, ma'am. Draws for your lead. Moving up is Lady King, then on the outside, Lakewood in between runners, New Dawn. And trading the group is Tail to Tail. As they race towards the last 800, Lady King is stay at home, ma'am, is running in second by the rail. Racing in third on the outside, Lakewood, New Dawn, and Tail to Tail. As they race at the last 800, Lady King is stay at home, ma'am, is running by the rail. Moving up the wadi outside, Lakewood, New Dawn, and Tail to Tail. As they race at the last 600, Lady King by our length and a half is stay at home, ma'am, getting closer in second together with Tail to Tail and Lakewood by the rail. As they swing for home, Lady King stay at home, ma'am, Tail to Tail, Lakewood. And down the stretch they come. It's Lady King leading the field, running on the outside. He stay at home, ma'am, Tail to Tail, Lakewood. New Dawn is by the rail. And with 100 to go, Lady King this time by about 4 lengths. And finally, Lady King, New Dawn, close between Tail to Tail and stay at home, ma'am, and Lakewood comes in last.